Hey everyone, this is B Media once again. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. I regularly share videos focused on making money, so without further ado, let's get started. Are you ready to turn your typing skills into cold, hard cash? Introducing Motionden.com, the ultimate platform where you can generate professional videos in a second and earn $30 or more for every single word you type. It's time to unlock your potential and start making money from the comfort of your own home. At Motionden, an animated platform for creating animated videos, you can unleash your creativity and craft captivating videos for a wide range of purposes. Whether you're looking to create engaging ads for businesses, e-commerce promos, dynamic gaming animation, informative infographics, eye-catching Instagram content, or professional YouTube intros, Motionden offers endless possibilities to bring your ideas to life. To begin your journey with Motionden, simply sign up on their website, motionden.com. Once you're in, the excitement begins. You will discover a vast collection of fascinating templates that are designed to grab your attention and inspire your creative process. These templates serve as a starting point for your projects, providing you with a foundation to build upon and customize according to your preferences. When you find a template that piques your interest, click on it to open the editor and get ready to work your magic. Motionden's user-friendly interface makes the editing process a breeze. Simply click on the text box and start typing the chosen words or phrases. You have the freedom to customize the fonts, colors, sizes, and positioning of the text to ensure that it perfectly aligns with your vision. Once you are satisfied with the changes you have made, saving them as simple as a click. Motionden's intuitive platforms enable you to save your edited videos effortlessly. Then, you click the Make Video button and watch as the platform works its magic. Within moments, Motionden will generate a stunning, high-quality videos that showcases your creativity and bringing your ideas to life. Now, let's delve into how you can monetize your talent and start earning $30 per word with your animated videos. Quickengigs.com is a freelancing website that serves as an ideal platform for selling your services. With millions of people visiting Quicken Gigs each day, you'll have the opportunity to reach a wide audience and find potential clients who are actively looking for video animation services. Quicken Gigs has established partnership with the big industries such as PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity, ensuring a robust and secure platform for your success. These partnerships offer additional benefits such as a seamless payment processing, reliable communication channel, and access to a thriving community of professionals. To get started on Quicken Gigs, create an account and set up your profile, highlighting your skills, expertise, and the service you offer. Be sure to showcase your animated videos as part of your portfolio, demonstrating your talent and the value you can bring to the potential clients. You can also specify the pricing structure, including the rate of $30 per word, to ensure transparency and attract clients who are willing to invest in your skills. As you begin to receive inquiries and orders through Quicken Gigs, you can communicate with clients, understand their requirements, and provide them with exceptional animated videos that exceeds their expectations. With each successful project, you will build a reputation as a talented video animator, increasing your chances of attracting more clients and earning a steady income. Remember to continuously refine your skills, explore new trends in video animation, and stay updated with the latest tools and techniques. This will allow you to offer unique and innovative video solutions, setting yourself apart from a competition and positioning yourself as a sought-after professional in the industry. So sign up on Motionden.com, let your creativity flourish, and leverage QuickenGeeks.com to sell your animated videos and embark on a rewarding journey of monetizing your talent. The possibilities are endless, and with dedication and passion, you can turn your animated videos creation into a lucrative source of income. There is another fantastic platform where you can sell your animated videos and further expand your earning potential. Allow me to introduce you to Fiverr, a leading online marketplace for freelancers offering a wide range of services, including video animation. Fiverr is a bustling platform that attracts millions of buyers from around the world, providing you with a vast pool of potential clients. The platform's popularity ensures a steady flow of opportunities to showcase your skills and sell your animated videos at a competitive prices. To get started on Fiverr, create a seller account and set up your profile. Make sure to highlight your expertise in video animation and showcase your previous work through an impressive portfolio. Fiverr offers various categories and subcategories, allowing you to specify the types of animated videos you offer, such as business intros, explainer videos, promotional ads, and social media content. One advantage of Fiverr is the ability to create customized gigs. A gig is a service package that you can offer to buyers, outlining what you will deliver and at what price. You can set your own prices based on complexity and length of the videos you create. While pricing may vary depending on factors such as your experience, the average price for animated videos on Fiverr ranges from $25 to $100 per project, depending on the requirements and the level of expertise. Fiverr provides a platform for effective communication between you and your clients. It offers features like messaging, file sharing, and order tracking to ensure smooth collaboration throughout the project. You can also utilize Fiverr's built-in review system, where buyers can leave feedback and rating for the service you provided. Positive reviews and high ratings can help you build a strong reputation and platform, attracting more clients and repeat business. To enhance your visibility on Fiverr, you can utilize marketing strategies such as optimizing your gig descriptions with relevant keywords, offering extras or add-ons to provide additional value, and promoting your services through social media channels on your own website. Furthermore, Fiverr has a feature called Fiverr Pro, which is a curated section of the platform that showcases top-tier professionals. Becoming a Fiverr Pro seller can open doors to premium clients and higher-paying projects. However, note that Fiverr Pro has specific requirements and a more rigorous vetting process. By leveraging Fiverr's vast use base, comprehensive features, and reputation as a reliable freelance marketplace, you can reach a global audience, attract clients from diverse industries, and establish yourself as a skilled video animator. In addition to quick gigs and Fiverr, another excellent platform for selling your animated videos is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a popular freelancing website that connects businesses and individuals with talented freelancers across various industries, including video animation. By joining People Per Hour, you gain access to a large and diverse client base actively seeking video animation services. The platform offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to showcase your skills, set your rates, and interact with potential clients. To get started on People Per Hour, create a freelancer account and complete your profile with relevant information about video animation expertise. Be sure to include samples of your work or portfolio that demonstrate the quality and range of your animated videos. People Per Hour offers different categories and subcategories where you can list your services. You can specify the type of videos you offer, such as explainer videos, animated ads, logo animation, and motion graphics. This helps potential clients find you more easily when searching for specific video animation services. When setting your price on People Per Hour, you have the flexibility to choose between your hourly rates or fixed project fees, depending on your experience, complexity of project, and the market demand. You can determine competitive pricing that reflects the value you provide. One advantage of People Per Hour is the ability to create customized job proposals. Client posts job listing describing the requirements, and as a freelancer, you can submit proposals that outline your approach, timeline, and pricing for the project. It's important to craft compelling proposals that highlight your expertise and demonstrate how you can fulfill the client's need effectively. People Per Hour provides a messaging system that allows seamless communication between freelancers and clients. This enables you to discuss project details, clarify expectation, and maintain a smooth workflow throughout the collaboration. As with other platforms, client reviews and ratings plays a crucial role in establishing your reputation on People Per Hour. Delivering exceptional work and providing excellent customer service will contribute to positive feedback, which in turn attracts more clients and lead to long-term success. To increase your visibility on People Per Hour, consider optimizing your profile with relevant keywords, leveraging social media channels to promote your services, and actively engaging in the platform's community forums and discussions. Building relationship and networking with fellow freelancers and clients can open doors to valuable opportunities and collaborations. Remember, selling your animated videos on People Per Hour requires consistent dedication, professionalism, and a commitment to delivering outstanding results. As you build a strong portfolio, receive positive reviews, and gain recognition for your skills, you will find yourself attracting more clients and earning a rewarding income from your video animation services. So don't hesitate to explore Motionden, people per hour, alongside Quicken Gigs and Fever, as it offers yet another avenue to showcase your talent, connect with clients, and monetize your passion for creating captivating animated videos. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on Motionden.com today and unleash your creativity. Create stunning videos, edit them to perfection, and earn $30 or more for each word you type. Quicken Gigs, people per hour, and Fever awaits your talent. It's time to take control of your financial future and turn your passion for video creation into a lucrative business. Get started now! Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to explore other videos on various online money-making methods. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications for future updates. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.